Hello students, this is Neetu Gupta. Welcome to our channel St. Xavier's School Hardoi. Till now, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it, like it and share among your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the further notification. Dear students, let us go with our topic. Our today's topic is types of plants. Students, plants are almost everywhere on the earth. Plants make our surrounding clean and beautiful. Students, we can see different types of plant around us. As you can see, some plants are very tall and big, while some are very small in size. You can see some plants are weak while some are strong. Some plants live for a long time and some for one season. In this way, we can see different types of plant around us. Plants are of different size, shapes and in nature. Students, there are mainly 5 types of plants. As you can see in this picture also, trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. These are the main 5 types of plants. Now first we are coming on trees. What are trees? So students, tall and big plants are called trees. Trees are very big in size. They are big in size. Trees have a hard and woody stem called trunk. What do we call the stem of tree? Trunk. Yes, very good. The trunk helps a tree to stand straight. With the help of trunk, tree stand straight and upright. Tree don't need any support to grow. Now student, you can see this is the diagram of a tree. You can see here, this is the trunk. It is hard, woody and brown in colors. You can see from the trees many branches are coming out. You can see this. These are the branches of trees, and on the branches there are leaves. This you can see leaves, and at the bottom of the tree you can see these are roots. Roots of the tree go deep into the ground in the soil. Now we are coming on examples of tree. You can see in the picture here peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. These are the examples of trees. You can see this is coconut tree. Coconut tree grow very tall. While you can see here mango tree. Mango tree is spread wide. Now we are coming on shrubs. What are shrubs? Students, some plants are small and bushy. They are called shrubs as they are smaller in size. Students, shrubs are smaller than the trees in size. They have many hard branches. They have a small and hard stem also. They do not live as long as the tree. Now you can see the examples of shrubs. Hibiscus plant. This is the example of shrub. Now rose plant. This is also the example of shrub. Now you can see in this picture rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant. These are the examples of shrubs. Now students, we are coming on herbs. What are herbs? So my dear students, some plants are small and they have very soft and green stem. They are called herb. In herb, plant's stem is very soft and we can break it easily. You can see here in the picture coriander, spinach, mint. They are the example of herbs. Students, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is banana plant. Can you tell me banana plant is a herb or shrub or tree? What is it? Anyone know? Okay, I am telling you. Students, banana plant, you can see stem of banana plant. It is green and soft. That's why banana plants come in herb, not in tree. So banana plant is a herb. Now students, we are coming on examples of herb. You can see mint plant, marigold plant. These are the example of herb. Spinach, this is also the example of herb. Now students, we are coming on climbers. What are climbers? So students, climbers are very big plant, big stem. In climber, stem is very big. They cannot stand without any support. So they need support to grow. They need support of stick, ball, fence or any other plant to grow straight. As you can see in the examples of climber, money plant. This is, you can see, money plant is growing with the help of string or any rope. You can see it is climbing on the ball with the help of rope. Now my students, see, it is bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is also the example of climber, and it also grow with the help of rope. You can see here, with the help of rope it is growing up. Now examples of climber you can see here: pea plant, grapevine, money plant. These are also the examples of climbers. What are creepers? Now we are coming on creepers. Students, creepers are a plant with very weak and thin stem. In creeper plant you can see stem is very weak and thin. They do not climb up. They grow along the ground. They creep along the ground and spread out. In creeper plant you can see fruits are very big in size. As you can see here, pumpkin plant, watermelon, muskmelon. These are the examples of creeper, and you can see fruits are very big in size. In this way you can see it. Now we are coming on examples of creepers, pumpkin and watermelon. These are the example of. My dear students, now it's time for activity and fun. You can see here is a activity. Here what you have to do, here I have written some types of plants, and here you can see some plants are there. So what you have to do, you have to arrange these types of plants in the particular column. Now first, who will come? Pranjal, you come. You can tell me trees. Choose from these what are the trees and put in the column. Choose it. Yes, very good. Mango and neem, these are the examples of trees. Now Akash, you come and tell me the examples of shrub. Choose from these. Yes, very good. Rose and tulsi, these are the examples of shrubs. Now next, Ankit, you come and tell me the examples of herbs. Choose from the plants. Yes, grass and mint, they are the example of herbs. Very good. Now Ankita, you come and tell me the climbers example. See here, pea, money plant. Very good. Now who will come? You come. Ashu, you come and tell me. Creeper. What are the examples of creepers? Pumpkin, watermelon. Yes, very good. Thank you.